So many people have asked me about what the difference is between black and green tea. Well, green tea has been used in the Indian and Chinese culture for thousands of years. There's so many great things about green tea. There are also some bad. My name's Dr. Greg Celaya. What is green tea? Green tea is made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, which is also used to produce other teas like black tea. Let me emphasize that it is the processing method of the leaves that separates them. Black tea is oxidized and green tea is not. What are the benefits of drinking green tea? Green tea is considered by many as the miracle of nature. Let's take a look at some of the benefits. Despite being low in calories, green tea contains several antioxidants, such as flavonoids and catechins. These antioxidant substances protect the cells in the human body from damage from harmful free radicals. These antioxidants also help in detoxification. Having green tea is a great add-on to a weight loss program, as the beneficial compounds in the tea aid in reducing body fat. It also helps to maintain the desired weight, which is the most difficult part of a weight loss journey. It also enhances physical performance and even endurance. According to several studies, catechins in green tea possess antimicrobial properties and thus reduce the risk of developing infections. Green tea has shown to have a positive impact on memory, cognition, and attention span. Some research has concluded that the substances present in green tea are neuroprotective and help in both treating and lowering the risk of disorders like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's. Along with enhancing brain function, green tea also helps with depression and even stress. Having a cup of decaffeinated green tea before bed has a relaxing effect on the body and can help you sleep better. Green tea can almost be considered a probiotic because of the positive effect it has on the microflora in the gut. It also improves digestion. However, one downside of green tea is the caffeine. Even though the caffeine content in green tea is not a lot, it might still aggravate the symptoms in conditions like inflammatory bowel disease. Thus, it is better to avoid having large quantities of the same in case you suffer from such a condition. Caffeine on a consistent basis can add stress and cause problems with your adrenal glands. Investigators have shown that epigallocatechin gallate in green tea can lower the risks of developing cancer. This positive effect has been shown with regards to breast cancer, lung cancer, colorectal cancer, and others. However, it's recommended that you consult your oncologist if you're on anti-cancer drugs because the compounds in green tea can interact with some of the medications. Green tea has beneficial effects on blood pressure, thus improving cardiovascular health. It can also reduce the risk of adverse cardiac events by lowering serum lipid levels. The substances in green tea also promote vasodilation, which reduces the work to be done by the heart. Furthermore, green tea aids in improving blood sugar levels. Various human studies have shown that consumption can improve insulin sensitivity and thereby lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes. Green tea helps fight the signs of aging by maintaining the health of various tissues of the body. Moreover, it helps one look younger by increasing blood circulation to the skin and improving overall appearance. Okay, so everything has a downside. Certain situations warrant caution before you make green tea a regular part of your diet. Some drugs can interact with the compounds present in green tea and cause some bad effects. So if you're on any medication, consult your doctor first. Iron deficiency anemia can result from drinking green tea excessively, as it hampers the absorption of iron in the intestine. Green tea can also lead to vitamin B12 deficiency. Remember, too much of anything is not good, and you should make sure to do everything in moderation. So if you'd like to know more about green tea and your health, go to my website, drcelaya.com, and check out the blog. You can also become a new patient or schedule for a free 15-minute consultation. Thanks for tuning in.